Before deploying, make sure your cabin is on firm level ground with no obstructions under the unit and is uncoupled from the towing vehicle. Turn the cabin power isolator inside the canteen to the on position. Remove the remote control from its storage position and connect its 7-pin plug to the correct socket on the front of the unit. Press the black raise button on the remote control to extend the ram cylinders, raising the cabin until the wheels are clear of the ground. To release the axle locking mechanism, lift the spring bolt into the open position and pull out the axle locking handle. Pull the jockey wheel handle to release and rotate the jockey wheel assembly 90 degrees into the stowed position. Ensure there are no obstructions beneath the unit, then standing clear of the drawbar and jockey wheel assembly, press the white lower button on the remote control to retract the ram cylinders and lower the unit to the ground ready for use. Release the unit's parking brake, unplug the remote control unit and stow it safely in the cabin. Turn the cabin power isolator to the off position. Now lower your anti-vandal cover. Your welfare unit is protected from theft by an anti-vandal cover with an anti-prise bear claw lock. To deploy the cover, first release the anti-loose fastener and safety pin. Gently lower the cowl to the ground, covering the tow hitch, or if you have a flap, lower it to cover the electrical panel. Once in position, lock the cover. Remove the key and close the lock seal to protect against dirt or damage. Your welfare cabin is now safely deployed, ready for use.